Okay, we're here somewhere in the USA. We can't enclose that information because it might come after us. But we are going to blow up stuff. Thank you.
No, we're gonna blow up the bunny with all these fireworks. Show him the bunny. Show him the bunny.
Dude, we got
it was
this
$1.
for $1.
$1, and he still has a tag.
Let's go blow up
And
the
I swear we
life-size
didn't
bunny.
screw him.
Dude, life-size bunnies are like a pound.
Dude, that's not worth it.
Hey, what do you want?
Everything will blow up.
Okay, I guess we'll go back there where my
Parents can look out the window.
Dude, Evan, are there any lights we can turn on? Oh! I missed it! Dude! Oh!
Yeah, no kidding.
You recording it?
Yeah.
Okay, well this is the bunny that
Rockets
exploded.
Got the dog off with them.
Sorry, we blew up
Trevor,
the
show
bunny.
that.
What's the bunny?
This one? This is the body. And it,
She
here,
was
come here and
she was
feel
on
it.
plane
It's
like
all.
6 times.
Choose
This is Susan.
Dude, look at hey, its eyes are still in.
I know, dude. Her eyes are still like frosted. Look at this. She's looking into your soul, wishing she wasn't dead.
I want to keep one eyeball.
Dude, I'm keeping the other one.
I want to cut it out.
Get the knife. Get the knife. I get this one.
Wait, okay. Let me hold it.
I'm throwing the bunny away.
No, we're burning it.
Oh, we're still.
Look. Look at this,
see
people.
it?
The tag did not blow up.
Can
The
you see
tag
it?
did not blow up.
Didn't even
Pretty
hit the tag,
crazy.
dude.
That's someone strong
But
tag.
its ear
Well, are we
is
gonna
like
burn the head off?
caramelated, and it
think
looks
the
like
fire's still going?
serious like burnage, and
Are we
it's
gonna-
really hot, and I just burnt my finger.
Are we gonna burn the head
Dude,
still?
dude, I don't
Well, if we're burning the head, I'm getting one of the eyes.
Dude, I kind of like.
Andrew, mouth. Oh.
We just burned the bunny.
I hear your voice fading away.